The Swiss Confederation would like to acknowledge the problems of climate change as an issue of international security.
Experiencing the art of diplomacy. More than 70 Model United Nations students from high schools across the district are on Zoom, taking part in a 2-day virtual practice session for an upcoming conference. Students here at Beaufort High School are working hard preparing for the competition.
I think this virtual session will be very good at helping me get better at public speaking and being able to speak in front of a large group of people, as well as better represent my country when I go to the actual conference.
A virtual session seems like more of like a run through, so it's like easier to prepare later. So like we know what to do in person, and like if we mess up virtually, it won't be that bad, but if we like mess up in person, it could like make things harder to do.
Just like the real United Nations, students represent countries, debate global issues, and present resolutions that are voted on.
Romania is against this resolution. I'm representing Romania, and I've learned a lot about the culture, and like I've learned several things about like the food, the culture, the religion, who they're allied with, who they're enemies.
I'm representing the country of Finland, which is one of the most progressive countries in the world on many topics. One of them is human rights, and they have a very big emphasis in the human rights section of the United Nations.
Later this month, the students will be traveling to Georgia Southern University to take part in a 3-day Model United Nations conference with other high school students from South Carolina and other nearby states. At Beaufort High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
I yield the rest of my time to the chair.